Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today to share with you some card making things that I've made and then also a scrapbook layout I made with the same pack. So if you saw one of my previous videos, I attended Crop and Create delivered paper crafting, and last year one of the classes I took used this 6x6 paper pad from Echo Park called Be Happy by Lori Whitlock. Yep, Be Happy. And so I had quite a few papers left from the 6x6 as well as lots of ephemera, so I tried to bust the pack out, but you know, I might have got maybe halfway through the pack, and this is all I have left of it. So I'll share with you guys the cards I made real quickly. I'm just gonna lay them out here. Maybe I will zoom in so you can see them better, and I'll just go through them quickly. Like I said, I'll just show them off. I did find a layout that showed you how to make these cards with one 12 by 12 paper, and then, you know, some added embellishments. So that's where I got most of these card layouts from. If I can find the project again, then I will share it. But it's just a photo that I had in my inspiration folder, and so I'm not even sure where it's from or who did it. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I made 13 cards by doing that. As well, I made a scrapbook page. Let me just zoom out here. And I got this layout from the class I took this year. But yeah, so I was able to use up some of the ephemera and extra paper and things like that. I'm not sure what I will do with the rest of it, but I am glad it's just in this little thing that is easy to store, or maybe I'll gift it. I'm not sure. Anyways, but I hope that you guys found this inspiring, and I'll be back with more card making and paper crafting videos. Hope you guys are having a crafty week. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!